Join Project ENRICH as we celebrate and embrace Black history.
Hello all, my name is Dreanna Warr and I did my project on Lena Richard. Ever since I was a kid, I've loved cooking. Cooking is central to who I am and has allowed me to express my creativity and help others. My mom taught me how to cook at a very young age, and she has been the foundation for my love of cooking. My grandma taught me how to cook traditional Jamaican food, and both of these individuals contributed to me wanting to become a culinary scientist. As a result, I started to learn and watch more cooking shows with my family, where I found Lena Richard. Lena Richard was born in 1892 and she died in 1950. She was a Creole chef, and according to BlackPast.org, she was a chef, entrepreneur, and author. She had her own restaurants, her own culinary school, and she was the first Black individual to have her own cooking show. Her culinary school allowed African Americans to become certified chefs. These certifications empowered them to ask their white employers for higher wages. Her restaurant gumbo shop was desegregated because she wanted both Black and white Americans to dine in the same room. She made history when she was the first person of color, man or woman, to have their own cooking show. Her show ran on Tuesdays and Thursdays twice a week on WSCE. Her achievements brought Creole cooking nationwide and directly fought against segregation in the Jim Crow South. My personal memories, my most cherished ones, come from being in the kitchen and watching cooking shows with my family. Lena Richard broke barriers for African Americans and allowed them to make shows like The Great Soul Food Cook-Off, Hustle and Soul, and Miss Southern Cooking. Her courage and success during a time of deep inequality continue to amaze me and empower me to follow my own passion of becoming a culinary scientist. Thank you, Lena Richards, for everything you've done for our community and inspiring me. This concludes my video.